How to kill dune grass. We've all been to beaches where small, stubborn tufts of grass grow up through the sand dunes and aren't touched by the water. This dune grass, or beach grass, has narrow, rolled blades and finds footholds in places no other grass would dare grow. In many environments, its stubborn growth can make it a weed. Kill dune grass to eliminate it from your yard or property. Things you will need: black plastic sheeting, shovel, weed killer. Cover the area of dune grass growth with black plastic sheeting. Dune grass needs full sun and will die back if its sunlight is restricted. The stress of restricted lighting will cause further weakening in the dune grass. Leave the plastic on for several weeks. Remove the plastic and use the shovel to dig up what's left of the dune grass, including the roots. Leaving beach grass roots in the ground will encourage regrowth. Burn the dune grass you dig up. Treat the area with a weed killer such as Roundup. If there are other plants in the area, use a weed-specific herbicide instead. Repeat the process if new dune grass shoots come up. Tips. Warnings. Dune grass tolerates salt and salty soil, and can grow in soil that has very little nutrition. Dune grass can crowd out other plants and grasses. Herbicide may harm other plants in the area.